Crypto.com Earn Investing Service, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Links to the product are in the description below for your convenience. Let's dive right into it. Crypto.com Earn is a popular service that allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. The platform supports a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins like USDC, and many more. The main draw of this service is its flexibility and high potential returns compared to traditional savings accounts. The rates vary depending on the type of asset, the lockup period, and your membership level with Crypto.com. For example, if you're willing to lock up your funds for a longer period, you can earn significantly higher interest rates. The platform is designed for crypto holders looking to make their assets work for them without the need for active trading. It's ideal for long-term holders who are looking for passive income or those who have extra funds they don't plan to use in the short term. But while Crypto.com Earn offers attractive rates, it's essential to note that it isn't without risks. Like any investment in cryptocurrency, your returns are not guaranteed, and there's always a potential for loss, especially during market downturns. The platform also requires users to stake CRO, Crypto.com's native token, to access the best rates, which may be a barrier for some. Another point to consider is the customer support, which can be slow at times, and there's always the risk of platform downtime or technical issues that may affect your earnings. However, the platform's ease of use, wide selection of assets, and high interest rates make it a compelling option for many. If you're considering using Crypto.com Earn, make sure you understand the terms, risks, and rewards before committing your assets. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to help others learn useful information.